Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. Welcome to my channel. This playlist is for people who want videos in English only. In fact, there will be 3 more playlists. One playlist is for people who speak bad English, beginners. One playlist is for people who speak good English. The playlist is B1, B2, intermediate. And one playlist is for people who speak very good English. That's the C1, C2 playlist. The playlists are hidden on my channel. You need to go to the playlist section and you can find all the English only playlists in the playlist section. I will also put all the playlists here so you can find them right here in this video. All right, so happy learning.